again I say that batch routing, it is generate exe file, okay, executable file, okay. And then so how you create new project, okay. I show you again, okay. Open Visual Studio stuff, okay. I show you my desktop, okay. Here have this create a new project, okay. Click create a new project, and then again empty project select here, okay. And next, and then give your project name. At the time we create batch utility, so name the batch utility, okay. And then create, okay. So and then open it, and then there have right side have this header file, resource file, and source file. In header file we mention the header file, okay. So this is name was header.h, this is extension name .h, and we are customized in C language, so that's why my source file is all our extension is c.c, okay. If you try to write code in C++, then it is the extension was cpp, okay. And then go to debug section, okay. And then batch utility properties, this is my project name, batch utility. So first of all, see this, there have .exe or not, okay. If there have any another file, DLL, anything, okay, change that .exe, okay. And then go to advanced, there have .exe also, this is default, but if there have any other file extension name, then change the name. And then go to debug, there we put, and yeah, and then write set command, set, okay. Hit enter, and then it will give all the path, okay. Just copy it and paste it, okay. This is it gives us all the file, java, jre, root file, data file, volume file, all the path, okay. So copy it in this into end, okay, there. And then so again this is header file, header.h. so if you so many header file, then add it here, header, some different header file, okay, and call it the in this login file, okay. Also you can add header file also in this login file also, on top of the main file, okay. So again this is header file, all of my header file, okay. At that time we need only these two header file, okay. But I am try to so many customization like in Teamcenter, that's why I add so many header file, okay. At that time we need only two header file, studio.h, this is C++ predefined header file for main file, and conio.h, this is for these two APIs, ITK CLI argument, and for the second API was ITK init module and error handling. So again ITK main, user main, this is a user main function, okay. main work, this main function was, main work was the what is the starting point of C language of this programming, okay. This main thing was what is the starting point, okay. I write is 100 lines of code, okay. I call it function, recursive function, there so many things are there, okay. But if I don't mention the main point, okay, so how this Visual Studio was select this area, this is first line, this is second line, that's why we add main function, okay. And then there this is argument and this is argument. So if you go back, if you go to deep down in ITK, then you know the BMID store the data using POM structure, POM application, object, workspace object, and then workspace application object, I think, and then data set, item division, so all of these, okay. So this is POM structure, and ITK, it is stored in array structure. Okay, that's why this is array format. It is also use the POM structure. This is structure, and this is database type. This is array type of database. What is array? Array is a linear data structure which is store same type of value. Okay, so it is for array and it is for that simple argument. Okay, user ITK CLI argument. This is one API. So how you know about this ITK CLI argument? So I share this reference file ITK ITK C language reference. Zip directly press Ctrl, okay, and just click one click, and then you go to directly. So read this there. What is the main purpose of this and all of this?